Jiribam police on December 24 seized a huge consignment of suspected contraband WY tablets weighing about 18.6 kg from a truck along National Highway 37 and arrested one person in connection with the case. Acting on a tip-off received around 1:30 a.m., police intercepted a Tata truck bearing registration number AS24AC3721 at Chandrapur area while it was allegedly transporting illegal drugs from Imphal to its Kasar district of Assam. During a search conducted in the presence of an executive magistrate, gazetted officers and independent witnesses, police recovered 16 packets of suspected WYR tablets concealed inside the toolbox of the truck. Each packet contained 50 sachets, with each sachet holding 200 tablets, totaling approximately 1,60,000 tablets. The accused, identified as Ilaj Ali Laskar, 29 of age, of Kasar district, Assam, was arrested under relevant provisions of law. The seized drugs, the truck and a mobile phone were taken into custody and further legal proceedings are underway.